So this is how you copy a legal size document on your HP LaserJet M236sdw printer. We are going to show you how to copy a legal size document on your HP LaserJet M236sdw printer. This can be done through the automatic document feeder. But before you can do that, you need to do some settings on the printer. An information page is needed. So from the control panel, wake the printer up by pressing on the cancel button if it is in sleep mode, and press on the I button. This will print the information page, and the information that you need is on the information page. So the first step is to go into the embedded web server to do some settings. So key in the IP address into the web browser. This will bring you to the EWS page. From this page, go to System. Go to Paper Setup. Now, you will need the pin for this printer. This can be found on the information page. At this prompt, simply go to Advanced and proceed to the IP address. Username is admin. For the password, that is the printer pin. Then sign in. You're on the paper setup page. The default paper size is letter size. Change that to legal. Once that is done, select apply. You're all set to copy a legal document. Once you have set the paper tray to accept legal size paper, let's load some legal size paper into the input tray. Remove the A4 paper from the input tray. Take a stack of legal size paper and load it in. Use the paper guides. You'll notice that we have pulled down this flap so that you can fit in the legal size paper. So this is a 3-page legal size document that we want to copy. Let's place it into the document feeder. Once that is done, let's copy. Press on the cancel button to wake the printer up. If it is in sleep mode, then press on the copy button. So this is the copy. Page 1, page 2 and page 3. So this is how you copy a legal size document on your HP LaserJet M236sdw printer.